Hi guys, welcome to today's Battle of the Foundations. Well, today I'm excited because we're going to finally try the Wonder Beauty Nude Illusion Liquid Foundation. So if you want to see my thoughts on it, you are in the right place. But before we get started, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please make sure that you hit that subscribe button down below and make sure you also hit the bell next to it so you'll be notified when I upload new videos. So again, if you want to see how this turned out, then let's get going. Alright guys, again today we are trying out the Wonder Beauty. This is their Nude Illusion Liquid Foundation. It costs $40. You get 1.01 ounces in it. It comes in 12 shades and I picked up the color Light. It does have a doe foot applicator and it's a pretty hefty size. And I have used this one other time as well. That way I have a really good idea already of how this is going to wear throughout the day, so I can let you know right at the end of the video. So let's talk a little bit about what their claims are on this, and we'll see if that's really true. So this is a lightweight, skincare-enriched liquid foundation that provides full coverage with a natural radiant finish. Nude Illusion gives skin a filtered finish with all-day coverage without ever feeling heavy. It resists heat, humidity, and sweat. As little as one layer magically makes blemishes, redness, and discoloration disappear with an undetectable skin-like finish. The formula is enriched with niacinamide, I don't know how to say this word, to reduce the appearance of wrinkles and even skin tone. It also contains lotus extract to help balance sebum production and support natural skin elasticity. Nude Illusion Liquid Foundation has been expertly designed in a tube with a doe foot applicator to make it easy to apply as foundation with even coverage. It can even be used to target with a concealer or to spot cover imperfections. So, as always, I have gone in, I've got my face washed, I've applied all my moisturizers and serums, and I have under eye color corrected. And as always, I will use my sponge on one side and flat top kabuki brush on the other. So let's go ahead and get started with this. By the way, for my under eyes, I am trying out today, finally picked it up. This is the Jouer Essential High Coverage Concealer. Wow, this stuff is pretty heavy duty, so we'll see how it works out for me. All right. Got the hair out of the way already, and let's go in. I'm going to use the sponge first. Normally, I'm just trying to start using my palette, but since this has a doe foot applicator, I can't exactly get the product on there. This time I made sure I had my sponge really wringed out and got all that extra water out of there. There's already enough left over on the sponge to go up and do my forehead as well. But I would not say that is full coverage right there. Hopefully you can see I've got a lot of my age spots and stuff peeking through. So let's go ahead and try it with the brush on the other side. Right away, I feel like the brush side is giving me more of a dewy finish. Why I wear a white shirt when I'm trying foundations? Gave a lot better coverage. Okay, let's kind of zoom in a little bit. Hopefully you can see that on this side it's covered up a lot more of my problems I have, whereas this side I'm still seeing quite a bit poke through. So look up close in the mirror. I definitely like the brush side better, so I'm going to go in on this side, put a little bit more on, and use the brush. By the way, happy Thanksgiving, you guys. So excited. You guys need to leave me a comment down below and let me know what you are doing for today. I'm pre-filming this. It's not Thanksgiving for me today, but we are going over to my in-laws. Unfortunately, we're going to be short some family members this year. My husband's uncle has been suffering from cancer, and I think I just can't get a break. They, every time they think they have everything under control, something new pops up. He's down to 126 pounds. They've got him on feeding tubes, and his cancer has spread where it's like pinching off, I don't know, whatever that is that goes down into your stomach. So he just can't eat any food right now. So they are starting they've already started radiation, but he went in the hospital for one quick little test, and he's been in there like a month now. So that just seems to keep happening to him. So anyway, that family's not going to be there because they're all going to be up at the hospital with him. So they'll be missed, but we're going to go ahead and FaceTime them so we can all visit. Okay. That looks really good, you guys. Really good. So I like this a lot. I do feel it on my face, though. When they say it's lightweight, I don't know. I kind of disagree with that because I do feel it on my skin. I can see that if you don't have really dark circles like I do under my eyes, you could use this as a concealer. You know what? Let's even just give that a try. Just going to do it under one eye right now. Let's see how well that works. And that's probably way too much. All right. I don't know if you can see any difference. It's creasing. Because I haven't said it yet, of course. Yeah, it wouldn't work for me as a concealer under my eyes for spot concealing. I could see that definitely. But let me just take what's left over in my brush and even things out. All right, I am going to go ahead, take some photos, and finish up the rest of my makeup, and I will be right back. All right, guys, I am back, and this is the finished look. So I tell you, I really like this foundation. I loved it when I wore it the other day. It was so long lasting. Again, it's one of those ones that just didn't crease. It's doing a fabulous job in my smile lines because that's the first place I get really bad. My forehead looks really good. I just think it looks so good. I do feel it on my face. That's the only thing, if I had any concern, they say it's lightweight. Personally, I feel like I have the makeup on. So, but I'm uber picky about that. I think you guys know that by now. Anyway, I found this to be very comfortable to wear all day. It didn't rub off on anything. It just lasted beautifully all day long. So this is another one that I'm definitely going to recommend that you go and get. I wish they had more than 12 shades. That's the only thing that's kind of a downfall. It's going to be a little bit tough to match your shade. This is just a tinge too dark for me, just the tinge. So I went in with a little bit lighter powders and everything. If you're curious about this eye look, you're watching this on Thursday. I will have had the video up already. It's using the Violet Boss palettes, the little mini palettes. So I will leave a card right up here if you want to go watch that as well. So anyway, yeah, get it, you guys. Just go ahead and get it. So thanks so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please make sure that you do that. Hit the subscribe button. Also make sure that you have hit the bell notification. So if you're not getting notified when I upload new videos and you're already subscribed to my channel, make sure you have that bell clicked on as well. That's how YouTube lets you know when I upload new videos, which is every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. Thursdays are always dedicated foundation videos. And if you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you guys are enjoying your Thanksgiving Day, give this a thumbs up as well. Really, guys, seriously, I love you all. Thank you so much. I hope you're just having a wonderful Thanksgiving. And if anybody's going shopping for those Black Friday sales, either today or tomorrow, good luck to you. So anyway, guys, thanks so much. Happy Thanksgiving. I love you all. Bye-bye.